Hello guys and gals, I'm Jason. You're watching Yakin Valley Outdoors. Today we're going to be cutting up some wood, running a few saws. Stay tuned. Alright guys, there's the saw lineup today. There's a MS361 over there, two MS261, and right there is a off-brand. I ordered that thing off the jungle site. I did a previous video on it, just gassing it up and firing it up, but we're going to put some irons on it today. Well, we're going to try to. We're going to run some fuel through it. It may last and it may not. I have no clue, but we're going to put it to the test today. Alright guys, the little purple Pinkway saw right there that I ordered from the rainforest on the jungle site, it done good today. We probably ran 10 or 11 tanks of gas through that thing. And the bar's upside down because the chain kicked off one time, and we flipped the bar around. Why not? I mean, that thing had a few hours put on her today. But it held up real good for $120. That saw, 63cc. Now, I only buy professional pro-grade saws generally, but I had to buy this one. A while back, I did a little video on it a while back, months back actually. But today, we drug it out, put it through its paces. And if you as a homeowner just wanting a saw to cut a little firewood or cut something around your house, I don't know that you could go wrong with these clone saws. I mean, I've heard all kind of people, different things, had trouble, didn't have trouble, good saw, bad saw, but that right there's been a good one. I mean, like I said, 10, 11 tanks of gas to it today, and it's held up very well. And we cut walnut, white oak, red oak, maple, hickory. I mean, it just went right on through it. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching my videos. Give me some comments, hit the like button, and subscribe if you see this. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.